Today's Where in the State is lit. It's on fire. It's smoking.
I'm seeing a theme here. Maybe you're seeing the theme here too. We're at the Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum. I'm on the lookout for some hot firefighters, but they've got more than that here. They've got something for everybody. We'll show you.
Do they have those here? Let's go find out.
But really, the Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum is a hidden gem.
This museum is not only owned but operated by the Oklahoma State Firefighters Association.
It spotlights restored fire trucks, one from the 1900s, and what's cool is the trucks were once used in Oklahoma communities.
Outside or inside, there is so much to see and do. Outside, there's the Oklahoma Fallen and Living Firefighters Memorial. It is breathtaking.
Inside, you're going to see Oklahoma's first fire station, along with the best display of firefighting equipment anywhere.
The Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum also has the world's largest fire department patch collection.
Today's story, a little personal to me. That's where my old dad put in 20 years. And you can come out here and find the patch that maybe of somebody you know.
There's also a one-of-a-kind mural, The Last Alarm, plus several artifacts from the Ben Franklin collection, representing the birth of the oldest fire department in the U.S.
Now you'd think with all we've shown you already, there wouldn't be much more we could show you.
Wrong. Lance Gill with the museum tells us about the newest display that's perfect for kids of all ages.
So this is a new thing that we just started putting together a few months ago. It's firefighter toys through the decades. It starts from late 1800s, works its way all the way up to trademarked copywritten characters that they kind of have today. And that's the interesting thing I think about firefighting, is that it is so old that it precedes things like copyright.
Seriously, grab the kids and make plans to come and play at the Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum now.
And you're going to want to make enough time to spend all day there, because even with what we've already shown you, there's still more to see and do.
Yeah, like photo ops all over the place. A ton of cool merch.
And the trucks. You can climb on a couple trucks inside the museum, but you gotta play on the ones outside.
Well, obviously the bad jokes continue because we're in another car to say goodbye from our Where in the State shoot.
But this time our car is a fire engine.
But why did you put me all the way back here?
Because I can't hear you very well way back there, Jeff.
Whatever.
You stay
You
back
gotta
there.
put it on your to-do, a must-do list, the Oklahoma State Firefighters Museum.
And when you do, tell them you heard about it here on Where in the State.